some different cobblestone carvings. This is our partner and factory manager, Mr. Chen, who has worked in this industry since 1995. So now he has experienced more than 26 years. And his main technique is making different stone oil and animals. Yeah, we have different stone oils and also follow the success for nature's cobblestone oil. We also develop different cobblestone animals like the penguin and the hedgehog. We have like more than 30 different designs for cobblestone animals.